lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you browser privacy Unmark asked to save password in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox, or I have been pinned in my taskbar. Click here and go to the 3-bar icon. So click and also enter the settings. So here we will enter the privacy and security as, because we will work with this option. So in scrolling and below side, see I have selected it before. So password, now I want to unmark this thing. So all the marking things has been unmarked. So click here, see, in this way this thing has been unmarked. So what have actually, if we when we mark these things, the password has been automatically saved. So when we unmark and any kinds of password in browser or throwing with the working time, the password will not save. So in this way we can do these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will